Okay, so in this video we'll be installing the OZONE 12 D4. I got a D4 because the amp I bought 2 ohm. So I built a big box, which was this box plus like this much more for a different CT Sounds box for sub, but I didn't get it. So I was stupid and I cut it in half. Well, that box was basically tuned to like 48 hertz, which is way too high. So I added an extra piece to it. It's ugly as hell. It'll work. It's 42 hertz now, I think, which is still too high, but it's okay because it'll run 35-ish. A little quiet, but it'll work for now. It's a 1.25, I guess, cube foot box, not counting the port. So the inside and then the port's all by itself. The amp's coming Friday. Today is Tuesday. I was dumb. So I destroyed basically 2 boxes. I mean, I have a 1.25, I think, cube box steel, but I might have to run that anyway. This is an 800 watt sub, but in this box I can only run it to 400 without it fucking it up. So I'm going to run it around 400 or less, probably, just to break it in until I can get another box. Boom, new one. So in the box, you get the mounting parameters, how to wire it up. Thank you for your purchase. You get a sticker, 2 stickers. You get a CT Sounds and you get a CT Sounds. Cool. And our next box is going to be actually coated with probably bedliner, I don't know yet. So for 2 ohms, dual 4, we need negative, negative, positive, positive. Okay. That's what we're doing. So dual 4, we're wiring to 2. This is a pretty cool box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 8 screws. Very beefy sub. You can see there. There's the basket, the terminals, magnet. Yeah, this is an 800 watt sub. So we have to run it 400 for now, which is okay because we have to break it in anyway. So we basically have to just pre-drill our holes and then screw this in. If I go get my voltmeter, it should be 2 ohms, 3, close enough. Obviously, it depends on how it is and my leads and all that shit, but this side is four-ish. It's bouncing around, obviously. Okay. So that's wired. Okay. Anyway, that's it. I'll figure it out. So yeah, we installed it. It's good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. See ya.